And that's when I heard her. I heard Kate Bush.
Is she one of your friends?
You could say that. Music has a way of finding you, even in the darkest of places. Lucas had used it before to reach me, to guide me out of Vecna's mind, back to the light.
So this music was coming from Lucas, from the real world. If you follow this music,
Then it would lead me out of here. The music, it led me to a new memory. It was the day that Henry cursed me. And it felt like they would never end. But then eventually, they did. And I was so close.